Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Casey and we're about to drop into serious travel mode. We're talking Madrid, people. This city is a gem, a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. This city is a powder keg of culture, history, and straight-up good vibes. From the moment you step off the plane, you can feel the energy in the air. The streets are alive with the sounds of laughter, music, and the hustle and bustle of daily life. If you've only got 48 hours to soak it all in, you gotta be strategic, you gotta be smart, you gotta be watching this video. We're going to make sure you hit all the highlights without feeling rushed. We're about to break down the absolute top 10 must-visit spots in Madrid, the kind of places that'll leave you buzzing even after the jet lag wears off. We're talking iconic landmarks, world-class art, killer food markets, the whole 9 yards. Whether you're an art lover, a foodie, or just someone who loves to explore new places, Madrid has something for you. First up, you can't miss the Plaza Mayor. This grand square is the heart of Madrid, a place where history and modern life blend seamlessly. Then, there's the Royal Palace of Madrid, a stunning example of Baroque architecture and the official residence of the Spanish royal family. And of course, the Prado Museum, home to one of the finest collections of European art in the world. Don't forget to check out the Mercado de San Miguel, a food market that's a feast for the senses. For a bit of relaxation, head to Retiro Park, a green oasis in the middle of the city. And if you're in the mood for some shopping, Gran Via is the place to be. And let's not forget the nightlife. Catch a flamenco show, indulge in some tapas at a local bar, or enjoy a drink at a rooftop bar with a stunning view of the city. So if you're ready to turn a weekend into an unforgettable adventure, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this show on the road. Madrid's calling, baby. Let's make the most of these 48 hours and create memories that will last a lifetime. First up, we're hitting you with some serious grandeur. The Royal Palace of Madrid is not just any palace, it's a symbol of Spain's rich history and culture. We're talking about the Royal Palace of Madrid, people. This architectural marvel stands as a testament to the opulence and power of the Spanish monarchy. This place is palatial with a capital P. With over 3,000 rooms, it's one of the largest palaces in Europe, and every inch of it is dripping with elegance and history. Imagine walking through those massive gates, the sun glinting off the gold trim, and just feeling the weight of history pressing down on you. It's like stepping into a different era, where every corner has a story to tell. This isn't just a building, it's a time machine. As you wander through its grand hallways, you'll be transported back to the days of kings and queens, of grand balls and royal decrees. You gotta check out the Royal Armory, decked out with armor and weapons that'll make you feel like you're on the set of Game of Thrones. The collection is one of the most significant in the world, showcasing the evolution of military technology over centuries. And don't even get me started on the throne room. This is where the magic happens, where the monarchs would hold court and make decisions that shaped the course of history. Talk about a power move. The throne room is the epitome of royal splendor with its lavish decorations and imposing thrones. It's a place that commands respect and awe, a true symbol of authority and grandeur. And let's not forget the gardens. The Royal Palace Gardens are a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, offering a peaceful retreat with their lush greenery and beautiful fountains. As the sun sets, the palace takes on a golden hue, making it even more magical. It's a sight that will leave you breathless and a memory you'll cherish forever. By night, the Royal Palace of Madrid is illuminated, casting a majestic glow that highlights its architectural beauty. It's a fitting end to a day spent exploring this magnificent landmark. Next up, we're diving headfirst into the world of art at the Prado Museum. This place is like the Louvre's cooler, Spanish cousin. We're talking Goya, we're talking Velázquez, we're talking masterpieces that'll make your jaw hit the floor. You could spend days in here and still not see everything, but that's part of the fun, right? Get lost in the brush strokes, let the colors wash over you, and just feel that creative energy coursing through your veins. Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. Alright, time for a little break from the hustle and bustle. Let's escape to Retiro Park, Madrid's own slice of paradise. We're talking lush gardens, serene lakes, even a freaking crystal palace. It's like stepping into a fairy tale, only with better snacks. Rent a rowboat, wander through the rose garden, or just chill out on a bench and soak up the sun. This is the perfect place to recharge your batteries and get ready for more Madrid madness. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get lively. Puerta del Sol is the beating heart of Madrid, a whirlwind of energy and excitement. This is where locals and tourists collide, where street performers work their magic, and where you can feel the pulse of the city thrumming beneath your feet. Make sure to check out the iconic clock tower, especially on New Year's Eve when the whole city gathers to ring in the new year. It's a scene straight out of a movie, and you don't want to miss it. Calling all shopaholics, Gran Via is your mecca, your promised land, your retail therapy paradise. This bustling boulevard is lined with shops of all shapes and sizes, from high-end boutiques to quirky souvenir stores. You could easily spend an entire day, and your entire travel budget, exploring everything this street has to offer. But Gran Via isn't just about shopping. The architecture here is off the charts, with grand theaters and ornate buildings that'll transport you back to Madrid's golden age. Step back in time at Plaza Mayor, a historic square that's seen it all. This architectural marvel has witnessed bullfights, coronations, even the occasional Inquisition trial. Yikes! Today Plaza Mayor is a more relaxed affair, with lively cafes and restaurants spilling out onto the cobblestone streets. Grab a table, order some tapas, and just soak up the atmosphere. This is the perfect place to people watch, enjoy some traditional Spanish cuisine, and imagine what life was like in Madrid centuries ago. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds at Mercado de San Miguel, a food lover's paradise. This bustling market is a feast for the senses, with colorful stalls overflowing with fresh produce, seafood, meats, cheeses, and every Spanish delicacy you can imagine. Grab a glass of wine, wander through the market, and sample everything that catches your eye. From traditional paella to innovative tapas creations, there's something here to satisfy every craving. This is the perfect place to experience the true flavors of Spain and discover your new favorite dish. Even if you're not a die-hard soccer fan, a visit to Santiago Bernabéu Stadium is an experience you won't want to miss. This iconic venue is not just a stadium, it's a symbol of passion, history, and the beautiful game itself. Located in the heart of Madrid, it stands as a testament to the city's deep-rooted love for soccer. This is the home of Real Madrid, one of the most famous soccer clubs in the world, and stepping inside this iconic stadium is like entering a temple of sport. The walls echo with the cheers of millions of fans who have witnessed unforgettable moments here. From thrilling victories to heart-wrenching defeats, every corner of this stadium has a story to tell. Take a stadium tour, walk through the locker rooms, and imagine the roar of the crowd as legendary players like Cristiano Ronaldo grace the field. The tour offers a behind-the-scenes look at the life of a Real Madrid player, from the locker rooms where strategies are discussed, to the tunnel where the anticipation builds before stepping onto the pitch. You can almost hear the echoes of past games and feel the adrenaline that courses through the veins of players and fans alike. Whether you're a seasoned soccer enthusiast or just appreciate the thrill of the game, Santiago Bernabéu Stadium is a must-visit for any visitor to Madrid. The energy of the crowd, the sea of white jerseys, and the unyielding support for the team create an atmosphere that is electric and unforgettable. It's a place where dreams are made and legends are born. So, whether you're here to catch a game, take a tour, or simply soak in the history, Santiago Bernabéu Stadium promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its gates. Prepare to be transported to another time and place at the Temple of Dabad. This ancient Egyptian temple was a gift from Egypt to Spain in the 1960s and now stands as a testament to the enduring power of history. Explore the temple's intricate carvings, learn about its fascinating history, and enjoy breathtaking views of the city skyline. For a truly magical experience, visit at sunset when the temple is bathed in a warm golden light. Get ready to haggle for bargains and unearth unique treasures at El Rastro, Madrid's most famous flea market. Every Sunday, this sprawling market takes over the streets of La Latina, offering everything from vintage clothing and antiques to handmade crafts and quirky souvenirs. This is the perfect place to find one-of-a-kind souvenirs, practice your bargaining skills, and experience the lively atmosphere of a traditional Spanish market. Come prepared to dig through piles of treasures, and you never know what hidden gems you might uncover. And there you have it, folks. Our whirlwind tour of Madrid's top 10 must-visit spots. From grand palaces and world-class museums to bustling markets and serene parks, this city has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Book that flight, pack your bags, and get ready to experience the magic of Madrid for yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and let us know in the comments which spot you're most excited to visit. Hasta luego!